Hi friends, welcome to another day of simple happy family vlogs. I hope you're all doing good. So this is a snowfall video. We had a snowfall previous night, so that's a small clip of that, and we had it all through the next day. So this is how it started, and it was actually quite a good inches of snow. So we actually get snowfall once a year in our place, so that's why it's a happy thing for us. So I previously stocked all the vegetables and food needed because it takes time to go, a 2 days time to completely clear off. So all the food that we require, vegetables and everything, we had already stocked up. So that's the next day morning. Kids are playing, and some snapshots of the snow. So this is how the kids are playing in the park. They came down to the park. My son actually never used to like snow until last year, but this year he somehow is liking it, and he's all involved and he wanted to play more and more. So he's having fun over there, but it's too cold. That's why they're all geared up from head to toe. So it's like a below, it's all down one, like -1 or -2 it is, but still it's another kind of experience. So everybody comes out and they enjoy skiing or sledging. They try to do some activities that we get our fun during snow time. So especially in our place, we don't get it quite often. And this much inches of snow, we don't get it very often. So it's another type of fun and experience. So here is one snapshot I'm sharing with you. It's snowing. I don't know how clear you can see it, but it is snowing. And now we came back home and kids just changed their clothes and they're having a hot cocoa milk, and they wanted to sit in front of the fireplace because their hands and legs are frozen. So they wanted to just make themselves warm. But still after this they went out and played again. And we didn't stop it because it's not every time, it doesn't have snow here. So that's a tea for us. We also were frozen standing outside, so just made a cup of tea for both of us so that we feel a little warm and, okay. It kept snowing all day, and after some time it was like a good few inches of snowfall. So that's from our backyard and the park. So they were not enough with it, so they again jumped in their backyard and they wanted to make snowman. They were actually making snowballs and throwing at each other. My son, he was the one very excited this time. So here they're trying to make a snowman and having a snow fight. You can see the trash bin that shows how much inches of snow we had. They made it themselves, so it was just a manageable snowman. So I started preparing lunch. It was cold outside and nothing else to do, so a chicken biryani was the menu. So here I've taken chicken and I've added chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste and salt. And I'm going to marinate it for around half an hour. I'll keep it in the fridge and then I will do the next process. So I'm going to keep it in the fridge for marination. And as the rice is concerned, I'm going to take 2 cups of rice because we are just a small family. So 2 cups of rice. I soaked it in water for half an hour. Then I washed it very nicely. And then I'm going to cook it now. I've taken 4 cups of water and I'm putting a little bit of ghee and salt and lemon juice and the basic spices to cook the rice. I'll keep it in medium flame and I'll cook it. That's the medium spices, the cardamom, cloves and the leaf, so that it gets the perfect aroma. And now my marinated chicken, I've taken it out and I'm frying it. I deep fry it so that the masalas just get coated in the chicken very well before I put it in the actual onion tomato masala. So now I'm making the masala. I have taken oil and I have taken one whole onion sliced and I'm frying it. Now I've chopped the tomatoes. I've taken like 4 tomatoes because I had small tomatoes, so I've taken 4 and I've added that also. Ginger garlic paste. I won't tell I will say a 2 big spoon because ginger garlic paste gives a good aroma and flavor to the mix of this biryani. Now the tomato onions are almost done, so coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves and green chili I've added. Just give it a good mix and so that everything gets blended together. Now you can see it's almost mixed together. So now I'm going to add the basic masala, turmeric, garam masala and pepper powder. There's no Kashmiri chili or something like that. It's only 3 masalas: turmeric powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon of pepper powder. You can adjust the spices according to your requirement because at my home my kids also eat it, so I keep it basic level low. And salt. So I'm giving it a good mix. Now you can see it's good and nice and ready. So now I'm going to add 4 big teaspoons of yogurt. So yogurt is the basic blending thing that gives the gravy and the taste. So I've mixed it all very well. Now I'm going to add the fried chicken pieces. It's like semi-fried, so it will also get cooked with the masala once more. See, I'm closing the lid and I'm going to cook it for some more time. So I'm giving a good stir to it. You have to just roast it a little bit first. Now as you can see, my rice is cooked and I'm just showing it to you, the consistency of it. So here it is, it's all cooked, and now my gravy is also a little ready. So I will be layering the biryani. So you can see my masala is ready, so I'm layering it now. So each layer I'll be putting a raisin and a little of lemon juice, and at the end coriander leaves. So you can see I'm layering it with 2 layers. The masala will stay down because after we bake it, we'll mix it all together. So the raisins on top, and again 1 layer of coriander leaves and lemon juice. So when the whole layering is done, I put a little bit of garam masala on top, and then I put it for baking. You can see I give a bake because that gives a good heating process to the biryani. I know we can keep it on the gas and do the dum also, but I like to do like this. It brings out my biryani very well and very nice. Whatever moisture is there, it all gets absorbed. So I've always been doing this process, like for 350 degree for 10-15 minutes I keep it, and it comes out very nice. You can see. So this is basically a Kerala Talisheri style biryani. So that was the end of the picture of the meal, how it looked. Again, outside it is the same snow, and you can see now inches of snow have grown. So he usually doesn't take a nap in the afternoon now, so I do something to engage him. So we were doing this card activity, like you have to match the picture and complete the puzzle. He loves to do some or other kind of activity. Sometimes he likes to read books, sometimes tracing, sometimes this kind of puzzles. Something or other I always have in hand to keep him busy. So we both were making, but he needs me to sit and guide him and all that. So yeah, we were busy doing that, and he'll tell stories of some character. He loves all the superhero and Marvels. So it's kind of spending time with him and talking to him. It's actually fun, when we spend time with kids in whatever they do. So that's how we finished the puzzle, and then he wanted to listen to a book. So it was his dad's duty. It was daddy duty. So the book is like Caps for Sale. He loved that story. So he's reading out that story to him. He loves the story, Caps for Sale. So he only picks out a book and he'll bring it to us if he wants to read something. So you can see it's still snowfall and more snowfall. You can see the garbage can had the inches of snow that we had. Again, they were just outside before it was getting dark. She wanted to try to make a bigger snowman. So yeah, we were like, okay, because tomorrow it'll rain and all the snow will go away. Then probably next year we'll have to wait for a snowfall to come. Sometimes it will not snow next year, so we don't know. So that's why kids were having fun. So that's all from me today. I hope you liked it. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you with the next vlog. Take care. Bye.